Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. My familiar setting, they call the ask Mikel Arteta say, wetin make am come put a big statue of Wenger for the training session area if they enter, so that when the boys they enter, all of them go to do high five for the statue, you know, those kind of package. So back on the talk say almost say make you know like say he did for him mind, make him bring back Arsene Wenger to Arsenal, make the guy get closer to Arsenal. And say he don't even reason Wenger, say how far now, Baba, I go like make come join us, so I think they give us one or two morale, you know. They give us one or two Akoluchi, get when they give them thinking faculty, let them know how things supposed to be. So well, we got self kind of for mind say maybe one day he go fit come back because he get a role for FIFA at the moment now. So you never know whether he go fit available to come join. I'm still on the media setting. They call the ask Mikel Arteta say how far now after the Liverpool loss, what you and your players talk, how they take the loss, how they move forward. So Arteta call the talk say, make you know like say after that loss when they go for dressing room, say all the players gonna act maturely. Say some players out of all the players we get even take responsibility for that loss. They come outside talk say, okay, no, you are coach. I know say I made do mistake for this area. I do like this for this area. I'm not supposed to do like this. You know, all of them analyze the game. Got talk say, okay, we're not supposed to do like this. Not supposed to do like this. Then they very happy. Say at least those who they talk say they no get leaders for the team. The leaders yak bias. Say for them to come outside take responsibility. Say this thing now what you know they happen before. You get saying they very happy with the kind of players we get. Even the journalists come they ask and say, can you name some players we come outside take responsibility? Say, bad now. So we see Apple inside the ghetto, go stay inside the ghetto. Look where see Apple for the dressing room. I come outside call the town and no now. See as the Apple there, he go stay there and do the town now. At the same time, back on the talk, then they look forward to the next game, maybe against Newcastle again, and that one for Emirates. So they hope say the fans come side them, no, come get their back. The way Liverpool fans get Liverpool players from Anfield, come support us, give us that edge, give us that winning morale, give us that ginger. You get, make us your 12th man, just make us happy, make for win and go back to winning ways. As we get that 10 matches unbeaten run, if we still run them again, set them now. It can happen. See the media people come they ask Arteta say make him elaborate more on that issue happen with club because Baba, you don't forget say a lot of people like some pundits on the come after talk say you do mistake, not supposed to fight club, you know, they don't talk plenty things about this issue. So what you get to respond? Back on talk say, you don't get plenty things to talk. What you get to talk we say in guys defending club and in guys defending players. Say you know pass like this. So anybody they talk any other thing say maybe you do mistake. Say that one now you sabi. Say if it happen again, he go still defend the players and he go still defend the club. So now what is up with that? Still the media people no want make Mikel Arteta go, so they come they ask him about Joe Willock. So they come they ask and say, Baba, this Willock issue, how na go take in Willock? You know, say Willock now one of our players who play very well. Now come send them on loan to Newcastle. Now come let them they play for them. Even though Baba never really find the form we make Newcastle buy him. The iron reception will be, but I say obviously, see they will give Joe Willock a good reception. He was a good boy. He gets the guy play very well and he represent them any day, anytime. So if he come back to Emirates, of the reception go mad now. So they really like the guy, a nice guy. My marital spiritual they come Moro Sans Anna don't come outside. They let us know. So Pablo Mari no they very happy with his situation for Arsenal. So the guy don't like as things they go. Say for this season now only maybe 3 times he don't play. So the guy don't be very happy. Say he won't go back to Flamengo. He gets so I never know how Mikel Arteta will take address this one. So because if you be saying instead just the year as himself with the year obviously I know say nobody would like to live for Benjamin. If you live for Benjamin, where you know they play, you know go they happy. It's normal. If they happy, something is wrong with you. You're not supposed to be happy. So well, what the watchers and that will address all the situation of players when they're happy to play. Surprise, man, you don't sign new interim coach and the guy now Ralph Ragnick. And what he made this one this significant, we say this guy now all those kind of Pep Guardiola and all those Jurgen Klopp, especially Jurgen Klopp, the copy for pressing game. This guy now they call the godfather of pressing football. The guy now bring out the introduction of playing four man at the back with the pressing. As in the guy get one kind of mad philosophy, a German machine in be. Get one mad philosophy of footballing game. You get a lot of coaches don't learn work from in hand. So and this guy, the last time when coach na that kind 2019, because him na just all those kind director of football operations he come dey do. You get even in last job na Lokomotiv Moscow when go there go dey teach them how to play football, dey organize things for them. Before man you come go snap and say baba come run things for us now. In job wetin they like now, if things don scatter make they just call and say okay come and put the pieces of the puzzle together baba, come help us set up all these things. We get different individual pieces, come and make it form as a team. Na that kind project in dey like. So baba don come here. In job na interim manager role for 6 months before they come sign another person. At the same time, United talk say they wan give am 2 years consultancy role. He go be consultant, football consultant to Manchester United. Everybody dey fear. Wetin dey make me dey vex be say he no go dey in charge of Man U when Man U go play Chelsea, because him work permit and everything no go done ready. Him first match go likely be against Arsenal, and I know they like all those kind of things because the players now go wan play with all their mind. They go wan ginger, they go wan impress the new coach, a new philosophy, something wey we no know, wey we no understand. How we wan take capture the guy? He get make no come go backfire against us, make dem no come wipe us. No, I just dey think the thing, you know, dey burst my brain say why be say na against us the man wan take start work, and he no go wan start on a losing note now. You no understand where my mind dey go. So na wetin just dey make me dey vex. If we just leave Ole for us, or leave Michael Carrick, make continue from where Ole stop. At least after Arsenal match, make dem come bring in this Ralf Rangnick. Well, no go get choice now. We just dey see as everything go turn out sha. Many people don dey talk about Wilshere. So many pundits dey talk say Wilshere dey play very well for Arsenal training. Even the Arsenal boys sef dey hail am say the guy is very good, we are enjoying the way he's playing. All this while make it no just be boo say last Arteta go give this guy play as you go contract. We never really know. Well, we could watch na January gone we go know Arteta mind. But where Wilshere dey, because many people don dey praise am say the guy dey play very very well for training, as they dey gbadu the guy style. Well, more dey watch if they fit give am contract, for me I no mind though. At least na pay as you go na. How na see am na. Still on the media setting, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta make him drop injury updates now. Say how far Granit Xhaka, say when Granit Xhaka dey likely to come back. So Arteta come say Granit Xhaka dey train very well on him own. Say the guy dey faster than the schedule wey they don set for am. You know, say everybody dey expecting maybe that kind of January or more. Say now Arteta dey say it is possible. Say this guy fit still come back for December, or he get maybe late December, so that as dem party dey comot, he go just dey draft him. So now wetin we dey see, because the guy dey train like mad, like the guy dey put so much pressure on himself to come back. As in, I never see person dey train like this, but he never dey join the full team. Dey train on his own, dey run, dey do some kind of light movement. You know, we just dey gbadu the guy, make him just recover, come back, because I no go lie, I miss am. FIFA sef don come outside for media setting, come dey talk say they wan test the new offside technology for Arab Cup next week. And this offside technology be say if person dey offside, automatically the technology go just detect am. They don't need to go check anything, say okay whether na offside, maybe referee go dey look like smart whether na offside. E just be like goal technology wey be say if goal enter, referee go look him watch, goal. You no need to ask anybody. And so e go just be maybe for that same watch, or just say offside, we just look am offside, no time. Oh yeah, let's continue. No time to go check VAR, whether na offside or whether no be offside. So this one na new technology wey they wan make football a more safer place and enjoying place. Well, more dey watch as e go turn out sha. Still on the media setting, because media people no wan make Arteta go. You know, Arteta do media conference. That's why the questions come plenty for Arteta. They come dey ask am say how far all these players wey no get contract at the end of the season, we see their contract go soon run down. How na dey manage all these people, especially maybe like Nketiah, maybe like Lacazette and some other people. How na dey manage all these things? So back on talk say for now they no dey reason anything contract. Say at the end of the summer, but one message wey wan send to all these people be say whether your contract remain 5 years, whether your contract remain 6 months, whether your contract remain 3 months, I demand full commitment for you. You go dey play for us. Na your job, na your duty, na contract wey you sign. Say you sign 3 years, you go play very well for that 3 years. No be say because your contract dey 6 months remaining, I will never renew am. You come dey form one kind Jet Li or Jagaban, all the talk say no one dey play very well. So one thing. See, na your duty. You guys do am. You guys play for us. So na so e just be. So my dear football lovers, Monaye will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see that bell notification icon way there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you. Have a nice day.